Welcome to Nova. Want to turn YouTube into a money-making machine without a huge audience? In this video, I'll walk you through the exact affiliate funnel I used to go from $0 to $1,000 a week step by step. No fluff, no guesswork, just real strategies that work in 2025. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more proven income tactics. Let's get started. Let me walk you through the exact system I used to go from $0 to over $1,000 per week in passive income using faceless YouTube videos and affiliate marketing. This is not theoretical fluff. It's a practical blueprint that requires no face, no expensive gear, no prior experience, and no ad spend. A YouTube affiliate funnel is a strategy for generating leads and sales by leveraging your YouTube channel to promote affiliate products. It involves creating engaging content, directing viewers to a landing page with an offer, and ultimately leading them to purchase the product through an affiliate link. If you follow the same structure, step by step, you could begin seeing results much faster than you expect. It all started with choosing the right niche, a step most people rush through or get wrong. I realized early that people don't buy products, they buy solutions to their problems. Instead of jumping into a broad niche like make money online, I niched down into a space I knew: freelancing. More specifically, I targeted beginners struggling to get their first clients. This gave me an immediate edge because I could speak directly to their fears and frustrations. When you choose your niche, don't just think about trends. Think about transformation. What problem are you solving? And is there a clear path to help your audience? After identifying the problem, I went on a hunt for affiliate offers that made sense. I avoided Amazon due to its low commissions and instead looked to ClickBank, Digistore24, Impact, and ShareASale. The goal was to find offers that paid $30 to $70 per sale and had professional-looking sales pages with proven results. My first win came from promoting a course that helped freelancers build a portfolio and land clients. It paid $60 per sale, and just 17 sales per month brought me to $1,000. I focused especially on products with recurring commissions like SaaS tools because they added up quickly over time without more effort. Next came content creation. I didn't want to be on camera, and I didn't have the time to learn pro video editing. So I built a system using tools like ChatGPT for scripting, Pictory.ai or InVideo for generating videos using stock footage, and 11 Labs or TTSMP3 for artificial intelligence voiceovers. Canva was my go-to for thumbnails. I stuck to short, highly focused videos, 2 to 4 minutes long with titles optimized for search, like How to Get Clients as a Freelancer No Experience, or Top 3 Sites to Make $100 a Day from Home. I didn't try to go viral. I aimed for evergreen, searchable content. Now, here's where most beginners make a mistake. They just drop affiliate links in the video description and hope for the best. Instead, I built a simple funnel using free tools like System.io. I offered a lead magnet in my case, a free client outreach template in exchange for an email. Then I redirected users to the affiliate offer on the thank you page. This alone increased my conversion rate because now I was building trust and following up. My email funnel became the real income engine. I wrote a 5-day sequence that went like this. Day 1 was a welcome message with the freebie and a bit about me. Day 2 told my story of struggling and eventually succeeding. Day 3 introduced the affiliate product as something that helped me succeed. Day 4 shared a client success story to build credibility, and Day 5 created urgency with a reminder. These short, value-packed emails warmed up cold leads and turned them into buyers. I didn't have a large channel. When I started, my first few videos barely hit 50 views. But one eventually cracked the YouTube algorithm with over 4,000 views, all from search traffic. I used TubeBuddy to find long-tail keywords, studied top-performing video titles in my niche, made bold thumbnails with contrast and emotion, and uploaded consistently 3 times a week. I also made sure to engage with every comment to boost watch time and community signals. That's when YouTube started recommending my content and the sales followed. Once the process worked, I scaled it. I launched similar faceless channels in other niches like digital productivity and AI tools. I reused the same funnel structure and automated everything with similar email flows. Today, I have multiple channels, each making $300 to $700 per month. Combined, they pull in well over $1,000 a week. I reinvested some of that money into hiring editors, improving my voiceovers, and growing my email list, which now sits at over 7,000 subscribers. The snowball keeps growing and the work becomes less. So why does this work in 2025 and beyond? Because video content is exploding. More people are watching YouTube than ever, and most are consumers, not creators. There's less competition than you think, especially in micro niches. With artificial intelligence tools, faceless content has never been easier to create. Affiliate marketing removes the need for your own product. And the best part? YouTube videos rank for months or years, creating compounding results even when you're asleep. If I had to start all over again, I'd do a few things differently. I'd build my email list sooner. I'd avoid low-paying affiliate offers that eat up time. I'd test thumbnails aggressively and go even more niche. I'd also repurpose my YouTube content into short-form videos for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts to triple my reach with the same content. Now, I have multiple faceless channels, each feeding leads into different affiliate funnels. I wake up to sales, I check my email and see commissions. It's surreal, but it's not luck, it's a repeatable formula anyone can use. The YouTube affiliate funnel model is incredibly beginner-friendly and doesn't require fame or a big following. It just requires a problem-solving mindset, some creativity, and patience. The beauty of this system is that it's modular and scalable. Once one funnel was working, I cloned the process into a new niche. For example, I created a new channel targeting people trying to lose weight and promoted a digital course about intermittent fasting. Same system. Helpful content, free download email funnel affiliate offer. That funnel now makes $500 per month on its own, all passively. If you're stuck on where to start, just pick one niche like productivity, digital tools, remote work, weight loss, or side hustles. Choose one product that solves a real problem. Then create 3 to 5 videos targeting different search queries. Build a landing page offering a valuable freebie. Set up your email sequence. Upload. Repeat. That's it. Over time, this can become a full-time passive income system. In a noisy world of online business, this blueprint is refreshingly simple. It leverages free platforms, YouTube plus email, uses automation, and builds an audience you can monetize over and over. In 2025, this model remains one of the most powerful online income systems, and it doesn't matter if you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or a 9-to-5 worker. If you can follow steps and stick with it, the rewards are real. As I grew, I upgraded tools like getting better email software, hiring a virtual assistant to help with content, and testing multiple products in split funnels. But in the beginning, I kept it lean and simple. That's key. Don't get stuck perfecting everything. Done is better than perfect, especially when learning. Now I have multiple faceless channels, each feeding leads into different affiliate funnels. I wake up to sales. I check my email and see commissions. It's surreal, but it's not luck, it's a repeatable formula anyone can use. The YouTube affiliate funnel model is incredibly beginner-friendly and doesn't require fame or a big following. It just requires a problem-solving mindset, some creativity, and patience. In the end, this method isn't about being famous or having fancy equipment. It's about solving real problems with real value and using automation to build a reliable, growing stream of income. If you start today, pick a niche that matters, find an affiliate product that genuinely helps, build a simple funnel, and commit to 3 to 5 quality videos a week. For a month, you could be seeing your first sales by next month. 6 weeks from now, this could become your side hustle, your backup plan, or even your full-time income. From $0 to $1,000 per week isn't just a dream, it's a repeatable system. Now you have the blueprint. Go build. That's the blueprint I used to build consistent weekly affiliate income straight from YouTube. Which step was most valuable for you? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Nova for more insider strategies. See you in the next one.